Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Minecraft to your Steam list. This will work completely perfectly. The Steam overlay works great inside of Minecraft. It'll count your play time, you'll be able to chat with your Steam friends when you're in game, they'll be able to see what game you're playing on their friends list and everything, and it all around just works perfectly. So, the first thing you need to do, obviously, is you have to have Minecraft. So just go to download. You want to have the launcher.exe, or this will actually also work with the launcher jar file. And in theory, don't hold me to this, but if you are on Mac OS X, you should be able to use the Minecraft jar in place of the exe in any of these settings. I don't know how the Mac OS X Steam works, so I don't even know if you can add custom things, but if you can, these commands should work the same way on Mac as well. So anyway, you want to download this Minecraft.exe and just put it somewhere safe. Chances are you've already got that if you've been playing and you've got it somewhere where you want it. Doesn't matter where it is, just know where it is. And then the next thing you need is the version of Java that corresponds to your Windows system. If you're on 64-bit Windows, you do definitely want to have the 64-bit version of Java. If you're on 32-bit Windows, same thing for that. You want to have the 32-bit version of Java. The way you can check real quick is if you go to Start, Computer, Properties, and you'll see 64-bit operating system or 32-bit. So just remember that if you don't know already. Although if you don't, shame on you. Come on. Okay, so javaw.com to get your Java version. Just go to free Java download, and just a forewarning, this button, if you click that, it's probably going to give you the 32-bit version because it's just going to detect that you're on Windows and that you're using Chrome, but it won't know what version of Windows you're on, really. So you want to click See All Java Downloads, and then you can get the Windows Offline 64-bit and just download that. If you're on 32-bit, then get this one, or chances are just this big button will work for you if you're on 32-bit Windows. Okay, so anyway, once you've got Java downloaded and installed and you're on the newest version, all you need to do is open up Steam, and you're going to do Add a Game, Add a Non-Steam Game, and then you just want to hit Browse. And the path to this is C, Program Files. Now, if you happen, there is one exception to this. If you happen to be on 64-bit Windows, but for some reason you've only got the 32-bit Java installed, or you just want to use 32-bit Java for Minecraft for whatever reason, then you'd be going into the Program Files x86 folder. But for everyone else, if you're on 64-bit with 64-bit Java, or 32-bit with 32-bit Java, it'll be in Program Files. So just go in there and go to the Java folder, Program Files, Java, and then you want to go to, you'll probably just have JRE7 or whatever the newest version is at the time. Go into that, and then the bin folder, and then you just want to grab the javaw.exe file, which is right here. javaw.exe. Just hit open, and so it added it to the list, and it's already checked. So just go ahead and do Add Selected Programs. So it went ahead and added the Java, I guess that's a Java window program. But if we try and launch this, it's going to do nothing because we're basically launching Java with no program to run. So that's kind of worthless. So what you have to do to add in that extra information is right-click on javaw in the list and go to Properties. And you can give it a new name. Minecraft is probably a good idea. And then, alright, for the target here, this first part is fine. That's great. The only thing you need to do then is -jar space, and then in quotes you need to put the path to your Minecraft.exe file that we just downloaded. So in my case, I'm going to go to the desktop where I've got the one that I like, Minecraft, and you can shift right click on this and it'll actually give you the option to copy this as a path. So that's just an easy way to get the path to this. Then we're just going to paste that in here after the -jar. So you can see we've got the path to our java.exe with quotes, space, and then -jar, space, and then the path to our Minecraft.exe. And if you happen to be on a Mac and this is at all possible, then you just replace this with a jar, and I think it's a lowercase m. It's probably case sensitive. But yeah, that should work regardless. I'm going to keep it Minecraft.exe. The start in folder is fine. And then if you want to replace the icon rather than having the Java icon, all you have to do is click Choose Icon and then browse to C, users, or well, browse to wherever your Minecraft.exe file is. Go to my desktop here and you can see I've got my Minecraft.exe. As soon as you choose that, it'll grab the icon from that. Oh no, and as soon as I did that, for some reason it replaced my target. That's annoying. Thankfully I've got it all typed out here. So. Okay, so once you've got your icon, the name, and the path to Java, -jar, and then the path to your Minecraft.exe, then you should be good. Just go ahead and hit close. And the icon, you'll probably have to deselect it and then select Minecraft again for that to update. But just go ahead and hit play and we'll see if this works. So I'm logging in here. Okay, game still runs fine, and if I hit Shift Tab, ta-da, there's your Steam community thing. You might run into some issues here and there if you're not in full screen. I have found like sometimes chatting will be weird or finicky sometimes, but for the most part, everything's fine, and you'll definitely have no issues if you're in full screen. And that's really about it. I do have one other small little hint for those of you who have a lot of RAM on your machine. You'll probably want to allocate a bit more to Minecraft. And there's just simply two extra little arguments that you throw into that command right before the -jar. You'll just throw in this here, and I'll copy it into the description. But basically this is the maximum memory that it can use, and this is the minimum that it'll keep allocated for it. To my understanding. I could be wrong on that, but this seems to work fine for me. Basically what this is saying is 8 gigs maximum, 1 gig minimum. I've got 16 gigs of RAM, so this is only using half. I could probably give it even more, but I don't think Minecraft can even use that much. Anyway, that's all I've got, so hopefully this works for you guys. Hopefully this is a little easier to follow than my old guide, and let me know if it worked. If you do have any problems, just leave me a comment and I will try and help you out. Thanks. Bye.